Good morning everyone, my name is David. This morning I'm here to introduce you this beautiful Cessna 180. Registration is November India 80 Whiskey Juliet. It's a 1977 built Cessna 180, completely restored in year 2017. Prop, we have a Macaulay composite metal prop, metal spinner, and the governor is here inside, of course. Here at the front you can see the air filter. We changed the air filter right yesterday, actually, to be true, at the maintenance facilities. And here in front you have landing lights. These are LED landing lights. Under the cowling, which has been repainted during the 6 months long 2017 aircraft restoration, we have a Continental 470 carburetor with at the moment about 1600 hours to the next major overhaul. Assembly is featuring a Goodyear 850 tire, and back here we have a single puck disc assembly. The nice things about the gear is the fairing that is covering the whole brake assembly. This is made for speed actually. It's going to give you like 2-3 extra knots and some fuel saving. One feature I particularly like on the aircraft is this hub cover, which is customized as you see, and it adds this touch of class to the entirety of the aircraft. The standard faired wing strut ends with this nice little feature that is the tie down for your aircraft. This is super important for any parking or overnight. It's very good because you see it just disappears, so no extra drag for you when you're flying. On the leading edge, first thing we see is the pitot probe, heated pitot, and then the second over the strut is the star detection system. Then we carry on and we end up over here on the wingtip, strobe, navigation strobe, and you see the tip has got this nice little bending, and it's kind of a winglet. Will allow you some extra knots in speed, fuel consumption reduction, and of course some more stability due to turbulence reduction. All along the leading edge you can see the Vortex Generators. We have 20 couples of Vortex Generators, so 40 of them here. And this cap here, this is the fuel tank cap. This is an STC modification. We've put some extra rubber in here to provide you with extra safety, meaning no water in here. And as you see, it's working this way, goes back in. In here straightforward, pure, simple IFR flights. But something I really want to make sure you see is this bar over here. This is an STC modification. The aim of this installation is to prevent too much drag to affect flap over operations, endangering security, safety and capacity of the aircraft. Well, as you can see here, we have a nice and neat full glass cockpit. From left to right, PFD, MFD, got two Garmin G5 for redundancy, GPS 1, GPS 2 transponder, and also DME down here for IFR, and the EDM 930 is the engine computer, the engine control center over there. You have all the information you need. Down here, you see from left to right once again, it's pretty straightforward. Electronics controls the power, prop and mixture.